Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Introduce us from group 2, where we will present the result of our discussion regarding a journal review entitled Accounting for Refinancing and Take Action over Murabaha Contracts. As for the discussion points that we will present on the occasion of this presentation, the first is Introduction, Risk Method, Murabaha Contract, Sharia Refinancing, Tax Over, and Conclusion. The first point is introduction. Accounting is taught in providing the value of public trust in the activities of an organization or business entity, especially in the context of reviewing financial performance. One of the main contracts that are widely transacted is the Murabaha contract. See table. This contract is considered very popular, so in fact various problems such as non-profit funding also occur in many Murabaha contract. Some of the solution initiated by Islamic financial institutions to avoid default or bad credit. Refinancing and takeover service are profit, but of which basically apply multi-contract or hybrid.
So guys, next I will explain point 2 about research method. To obtain valid data, the research obtained data through primary and secondary search. Primary search were obtained through information at one of the Islamic commercial banks and non-Islamic financial institutions, while the secondary data search are obtained through the website of Islamic financial institution and the Financial Service Authority or OJK. Data were collected for descriptive qualitative analysis. Informants in this study come from manager of Islamic financial institution, namely manager of Sharia cooperative, manager of Islamic commercial banks, and Sharia financial software consultant. I will explain point 3 about Murabaha contract. Murabaha contract is a type of buying and selling and transaction that are permitted by Sharia. The majority of scholar, companions, tabi'in, and the priests of the mazhab except for the Maliki mazhab, which states that the law of buying and selling Murabaha is Hilafaul Aula. In addition to the main Murabaha contract, there are often other similar contracts called tawarruk or monetization, which are the transaction to get cash through the sale of certain goods for cash, which were previously purchased on credit to other parties.
Ox, I will explain the fourth point, namely Sharia refinancing. Refinancing is carried out the pay of loans be refinanced for new loans with a lower interest rate and still in the same bank. This is done to as the reform of the best for both investors and companies. In the press of Islamic financing, refinancing products are often created or as risk mitigating in employing non-performing financial MPF. Refinancing in Sharia refinancing can be raised for refinancing for positive customer who already have full asset. It can also be done for financing for positive customer who are receiving financing but have not paid. Next, there is the purpose of refinancing in the Murabaha contract. To reduce the MPF ratio as a form of risk mitigation, the purpose of refinancing in a Murabaha contract is to enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of the participant, ensuring the fair distribution of profit while aligning with Islamic financial principles. The purpose of refinancing in the Murabaha contract scheme is to reduce the MPF ratio as a form of risk mitigation. In addition to reducing the KSL conduct, recognition so that customers are also given a debt effect. For example, the exchange for additional guarantees, and so on. The aim of which is to discipline customers. Next, I will explain the 5 point, namely takeover. Takeover is a transfer of that is and certain contracts came from one bank to another. Usually, this is mostly done by customers who want to make, namely converting the transfer from convention to Sharia contracts. The transfer of the bank estate in Sharia is the outcome of the highway contract. Although in the takeover is not only a single highway contract but also several contracts, so that takeover is from hybrid contract.
The last point is the conclusion. Thus are some of the contract professions which are actually quite complex. Regarding financing and takeover, the study of hybrid contracts is very urgent in addition to solving muamalah problems for the common good as well as avoiding misunderstandings of the similarities and difference in transaction or products between LKS and non-Islamic financial institutions.